Kennewick, a local doctor is allegedly advertising ivermectin to his patients as a way to treat COVID-19. KFKV's Ellie Nakamoto-White is live in studio. Ellie, should we be getting ivermectin prescriptions from our doctors?
Alyssa, the short answer is no. Ivermectin does have some medicinal use, but it's mainly used for treating parasites in livestock. And according to the FDA, it's not an antiviral, which is a drug for treating viruses like COVID-19. Dr. Michael Turner practices out of the Pacific Clinic in Kennewick. On his website, patients can sign up for telehealth ivermectin consultations for COVID-19 that start just around $150. According to multiple health organizations like the FDA and CDC, ivermectin should not be used to treat the virus.
If there's doctors out there using not only non-proven treatments, but treatments that can be harmful, and especially now that there's been a formal warning about their use, they do run the risk of being reported to the licensing agency here in the state of Washington.
Yakima Memorial Valley's chief medical officer says the increase in ivermectin prescriptions in Washington is alarming.
So you just need to be very careful if you're going to prescribe things that are kind of experimental and whatnot. They're very careful that you're consenting patients properly and that you're not doing something that's potentially harmful to them.
Even Merck, an ivermectin manufacturer, says there's no meaningful evidence in patients with COVID-19, especially when compared to the vaccines created to treat the virus.
We have this vaccine with over almost 200 million doses given in this country with essentially no long-term side effects at all, and proven to prevent hospitalizations, proven to prevent deaths, now approved by the FDA.
A statement from Pacific Clinic's general manager says Dr. Turner is vaccinated and is recommending the vaccine, but he is also following the alternative methods for treatment that are within his medical scope for those who aren't vaccinated.
And then seeking out these treatments that are potentially harmful and show no proof that they work.
This is not the first time this place has made the news. Last August, it was known as the Tri-City Court Club before they rebranded under the same ownership as the Pacific Clinic. Live in studio, Ellie Nakamoto-White, KFKV Local News.